Hello friends, welcome in Code with Hubble Apps. Today's lesson SF symbols. The SF symbols provided by Apple more than 3000 images or assets. So first of all we are search in Safari SF symbols. Apple, sorry, mistake my spelling. SF symbols. Apple and click the website link and this SF symbols 3 with over 3000 symbols. So this is down below in the site. So download the beta is currently available SF symbols 3 beta version and required macOS Kotlin or later currently available in Big Sur. So upgrade your Mac, use this icon. So I have already downloaded this package or DMG file. So double click to open and click the package box. So install process start. So continue and continue and agree and install to enter your Mac password. So install the software and finish this and close and move to trust. We are not required more DMG files already installed SF symbol beta version. So command space to search SF symbols beta. Open our SF symbols beta. The icon more than 3000 icons available and different styles like SF Pro display and more than you see in display and lots of category available to easy to find and search out this your required icon. So device, games, connectivity, transport, human nature and more to scroll in bottom. So copy this name and I have already created image view. So image view dot image, so UI image and not using name but required system name and paste here and iOS phone device to required iPhone in minimum iOS 13 version or above. So this is SF's image load and system name and copy another icons. This is the logo Xbox. Try to check this icon. Sorry, maybe some issue not load this image. So change this image and again find another images. This symbol is not modify and maybe some issue and copy another icons and paste here and paste it. So thank you watching this video, like video, share video and subscribe this channel, hit the notification bell, you will get our latest video. So thank you.